Hello guys, I am professional graphic designer. I want to share my knowledge with all of you. I can teach you some professional editing apps and a lot of tricks. So please support me and subscribe my channel. Hello guys. Welcome to my another amazing video. Today I teach you that how you make a perfect reflection of any picture. So let's start. First off, I'll create your page in which you can make reflection. When you create your new page, this page will show you in your screen. So first I do some gradient color on my page. But it does not work because I does not changed my page into Smart Object layer. Always convert your picture into Smart Object layer. Now I am doing my gradient color. You make your own gradient color that you need for your work. When you do your gradient color, always convert it into Rasterize layer. I always do blue and white gradient. Now my gradient is ready for make my reflection. After you do your gradient color, you can put your any picture in Photoshop for make your reflection. I am putting my picture. You are also put your any picture in which you do your reflection. Now I am putting my pic in Photoshop. After it is open in Photoshop, you can also set it for your requirement. I am setting my pic. After some seconds, I can set it for my requirement. Now copy your picture and select it. And then right-click and click Rotate 180 degree option. It can rotate your picture 180 degree. Now I am again setting my pic about my requirement. You can also set it for your requirement. After you can set your pic again, select your picture, and at the right side you can see the option opacity. Opacity work is make your picture light and dark. You can set it for your requirement. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Meet at you in the next video. Bye.